Friday, for PM. Tobi is on a work placement at a consulting firm, posted to the admin team. The director stops by his desk, travel bag already packed. I need a Q3 expense summary across our 5 cost centers. Plain English. 1 page. Before I leave today. The tracker he's pointing at, 800 unsorted rows, spread across 3 sheets. By the end of this video, you'll have Tobi's exact playbook. First move, before touching a single cell. He makes a copy of the file and names a Q3 tracker working. Never edit the only copy. If the next hour goes wrong, the original is untouched. This is the habit that separates people who recover from mistakes from people who explain them. Now, the numbers. He needs totals by cost center. He could scroll and sum for an hour, or ask AI for the tool. Here's the prompt. I have a spreadsheet with 800 rows. Column B is cost center, column F is amount. I want totals by cost center. Give me the formula and explain each part in 1 line. Back comes SumIf, with an explanation of each piece. Notice what happened. AI didn't do the maths. It handed him the tool, and Excel does the maths. That's the rule. AI is genuinely bad at arithmetic, and spreadsheets never are. Ask for formulas. Never ask for calculated answers. And one safety note before the prompt leaves his screen. No real names, no real amounts pasted into a public AI tool. Column letters and descriptions are enough. The formula doesn't care what the data is, so the data stays home. The formula returns 5 neat totals. Done? Not yet. Tobi picks 3 cost centers and checks them the slow way. Filter, select, read the sum at the bottom of the screen. All 3 match. Now the formula has earned its place. Test on sample, verify the answer, then trust. A formula that looks right and a formula that is right are different things. Numbers done. Now the part that actually impresses. He asks AI to design the 1-pager. I have Q3 totals for 5 cost centers. Design a 1-page summary a director can read on his phone, layout only. Top, the grand total. Middle, the 5 cost centers with a simple visual bar. Bottom, 3 sentences of plain English commentary on the biggest change. The commentary is where judgment comes back in. AI can propose sentences, but Tobi checks which cost center actually moved and why. He knows the second quarter had a one-off equipment purchase. AI doesn't. That context, 1 line of it, is the difference between a data dump and a briefing. 5:45. He exports to PDF and hands it over. The director reads it standing up, says good and leaves. Saturday morning, he opens that 1 page on his phone in the airport lounge and walks into the board meeting understanding his own numbers. Monday, he tells the head of admin, have him do the next one too. What made that possible is a small stack of Excel functions. About 15 of them cover 80% of Office spreadsheet work. Sums and averages. If and countif for conditions. Lookups to pull values across sheets. Text tools like trim to clean messy cells. Dates. You don't memorize them all today. You learn each one the moment a task needs it, with AI explaining the syntax. And when a formula breaks, same pattern in reverse. Paste the broken formula, tell AI what it returns, an error code, a wrong number, a blank, and describe the data. It will spot the missing $sign, the wrong range, the mismatch type. Formula repair is genuinely one of the things AI does best. The mistakes to avoid. Asking AI to do arithmetic, use formulas. Pasting real salaries and names for formula help, sample data only. Trusting a formula without testing it on rows you can check by hand. And leaving your workbook as sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, name your sheets. Small things. They're what bosses actually notice. One more habit from Tobi's playbook. Raw data on 1 sheet, summary on another. Never mixed. And the summary total must always reconcile with the data sheet. Bosses don't audit your formulas, they audit your numbers against reality. Make sure yours survive that audit. So that's Excel. Copy first, describe the task, take the formula, verify on 3, design the page, add the context only you have. Next episode, a funder proposal due tomorrow, and the only notes are a voice message. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And the full 30-day program that turns these skills into a portfolio is linked in the description.